Hello students, the continuation of your major crops of India. Let's we talk on the that is the after pulses. Now we are having sugarcane. Sugarcane is considered as, for example, if I am saying what is the main source of sweetness in chocolate. आप सभी chocolate खाते हो. What is the main source of sweetness in chocolate? Your answer is sugar. From where do we get the sugar? From the sugar mill. From where do we get the sugar in the sugar mill? The raw form of sugarcane is what we call it as. It is used for the production of sugar in sugar mill. So we are saying the sweetness of the life is very much depend on the you can say sugar. Let's we talk on the major features of the sugarcane. Children, sugarcane. It is the crop which is considered as tropical and subtropical. It is produced in tropical and subtropical region of the country. It is temperature. The temperature is from 21 degree to 27 degree, and rainfall is between the 75 degree to 100 centimeter. It is comprised 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Right, children? Now, children, let's we talk on the other features. The climate that we need is hot and humid. That is why the the regions that it comprises of your Uttar Pradesh, or you can say the Maharashtrian region, the Bihar region, all these are considered as a main region for the sugarcane. If we are talking about the soil is fertile. Fertile soil is needed, but the ideal one is the black. It is if we are talking about the position of the India in the production of sugarcane. So I am saying that it stood second. It stood second after the Brazil. It stood second after the Brazil. Children, my question is, what is the position of India in the production of wheat? In the production of wheat, and I want to know the answer from your side. So this is all about the climatic condition of earlier. I was telling about the temperature and the rainfall. Now this is about the condition, the climatic condition and the soil needed for the production of the sugarcane. Hello students, the continuation of your major crops of India. Let's we talk on the that is the after pulses. Now we are having sugarcane. Sugarcane is considered as, for example, if I am saying what is the main source of sweetness in chocolate. आप सभी chocolate खाते हो. What is the main source of sweetness in chocolate? Your answer is sugar. From where do we get the sugar? From the sugar mill. From where do we get the sugar in the sugar mill? The raw form of sugarcane is what we call it as. It is used for the production of sugar in sugar mill. So we are saying the sweetness of the life is very much depend on the you can say sugar. Let's we talk on the major features of the sugarcane. Children, sugarcane, it is the crop which is considered as tropical and subtropical. It is produced in tropical and subtropical region of the country. It is temperature. The temperature is from 21 degree to 27 degree, and rainfall is between the 75 degree to 100 centimeter. It is comprised 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Right, children? If we are talking about the cultivation season required for the growth of sugarcane, so it is a crop which is having a maturing period of 10 to 12 months. It means it comprises the cropping pattern. It consists of both actually, because the production needed is here a whole year. So whole year it comprises as, because it needs to mature nearly 10 to 12 months. Children, if we are talking about the sugar cane, so it is a main source of your sugar, it is a main source of your gur, it is a main source of your khansari, it is the main source of your molasses. So again my question is in front of you is, what is molasses and khansari? We all know about the gur, what we call it as jaggery in English, and the sugar, it means it is chini. But what is khansari and what is your molasses? Fine, children. Now let's we talk on the labor intensive. Children, it is quite labor intensive. Labor intensive means it comes under actually a plantation. The type of farming that it includes is a farm, it is plantation. So as we all know that the important features is your plantation is that it is labor intensive. It means high capital is needed, high land is needed, but it also needed what? Labor for its production. The heavy labor for its production in the growing as well as during the period of sowing as well as in the period of harvesting. Right, children? Now let's we talk on the regions it comprises of sugar. Children, if I am talking about the regions of the production, that regions which are quite good in the production of your sugar cane. So it is UP in north, Maharashtra in south. These are the largest producer if we are talking about the regions. So in UP it is northern part of in north UP, in southern Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu is there, Andhra Pradesh is there, Telangana, the Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, then Punjab, Haryana is the major states of India which comprises in which the production is quite good. Now children, we are knowing about the rainfall of this, that it comprises of 75 to 100 centimeter, 75 to 100 centimeter. But with the proper irrigation system, we can produce sugarcane in those areas which receives less rainfall. So whenever you are going to eat any sort of sweet dish in your meal, so kindly think about the sugar and think about the sugarcane. So this is all about the feature of the sugarcane. Okay, children, this is the sixth one. Earlier it was E, that is your, which one? Sugarcane. Children, in major crops of India, we have learnt rice, wheat, millets, pulses, sugarcane. Now we are with the oil seeds. India produces large varieties of seeds in all over the India. It produces large variety of seeds. It produces for the domestic use as well as for the international market. India, if we are talking about the data of the production and the position of India, so the major important oil seeds, हम लोगों ने किचन में भी देखा होगा, मम्मी लोग आपको यूजुअली हमारे घरों में रिफाइंड ऑयल जैसे सोयाबीन का ऑयल या आपका ग्राउंडनट का वी आर फाइंड आउट मूंगफली का तेल या सोयाबीन का तेल, इसके अलावा सरसों का तेल, मस्टर्ड ऑयल, है ना. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑयल्स दैट वी आर नोइंग इट. बट इसके अलावा भी बहुत अलग तरीके के सीड्स होते हैं. वेराइटीज ऑफ सीड्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन इंडिया. बट बेसिकली इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोजीशन ऑफ इंडिया, सो इट इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट in terms of groundnut. It means groundnut किसे बोलते हैं हम? मूंगफली, right? According to the data of 2008, India stood second number after China. Now, if you are talking about the rape seeds, according to 2008, India stood third largest after China and Canada. Beta, what is rapeseed? Rapeseed is called as a safed, you can say safed sarson, right? Varieties of seeds are produced in India, and it almost contributes around the 12% of the total cropped area. These are produced in 12% of total cropped area of the you can say in the due to the production of India, right? So this is all about the data that the Indian are producing, or Indian farmers are producing the oil seeds. Fine. The major purpose of production of oil seeds in India is basically the two. One, it provides the raw material for the industries, and second one, it is used at a domestic level in terms of cooking purposes, right? So this is all about the data it comprises of the oil seeds. Now children, if we are talking about, as I have told you, due to the yellow revolution, because all you know about green revolution, you know about blue revolution, white revolution, silver revolution. So yellow revolution is associated with the production of oil seeds in India, and heavy production due to the you can say due to agriculture practices, advancement in the agriculture practices or scientific way out to produce this. So main oil seeds that are varieties of oil seeds are found in India, that are groundnut, I have told you about the moongfali, then mustard, that is called as sarson, usually found in our home. Coconut, that is nariyal, then sesamum is til ka tel bhi hota hai beta. It can be used for edible oil है, cooking purposes के लिए, और इसका medicinal value भी होता है. Soybean is there, है ना? And castor, the castor soil is very much important. That is, we called it as rendi here. Cotton, it is acted as a raw material for the textile industry. Seeds के तौर पे जाया जाता है. Linseed is there, that is alsi, having a high omega-3 content. It is highly utilized by the diabetic patients in a present day. Then the sunflower. Fine. So these all are associated with the yellow revolution, and India is largest, you can say one of the largest producer as well as the consumption of the oil seed. Now children, the purpose is, as I have told you, the purpose for the production of oil seeds is, first, it is edible in terms of, therefore it is used in cooking purposes. Second, it is acted as a raw material for the industries, like the industries which are associated for production of ointments like soap, cosmetics, etc. Then if we are talking about the cropping pattern of the different seeds, so for example, linseeds and mustard, it's both acted in as a rabi crop. Groundnut is acted as a kharif. Sesamum is acted as kharif in north, and it is produced in the cropping pattern as rabi in south. Kharif in north and rabi in south. Is a part of this, castor, or the castor seeds are also regarded as both the rabi, produced in rabi as well as in kharif seeds. Now children, we are talking about the regions of the production of seeds. Now this is the last topic, this is the last features of the oil seeds. The soil, it requires alluvial and black soil, usually it is the ideal one. Then the regions it having for the production, Gujarat, it is the largest production in terms of groundnut, then followed by Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Then if we are talking about some climatic conditions, if overall we are talking about some percentage of some degree of your temperature, it varies from 20 to 30 degree. And if you are talking about the rainfall, then it is comprises of your 50 to 100 centimeter. It comprises of your 50 to 100 centimeter. So this is all about the oil seeds. So children, both oil seeds and sugar cane is an important source of you can say cash crop. Both are considered as a cash crop. Both are used not for the domestic purpose but for the purpose of the sale. So these two crops played a very, very important role in the you can say generation of revenue.